Innovation Showcase is ASU's annual celebration at the Polytechnic campus of the great experiential learning that our students do. And it's best demonstrated through the projects that are on display here today, often partnering with industry on a semester-long or 2-semester-long experience.
I love Innovation Showcase. It's one of my favorite events of the year. The reason I'm here today is we have 3 projects that we funded, and so I'm going to check up on those student groups, see how they did.
Many of these projects, these students have not seen it in their classes. And so what we as Arizona State University, through our hands-on projects, through our learning that is done in the laboratories, it is to teach themselves how to learn, how to accommodate new technologies that are emerging.
What I was told during my capstone project is that it's more of a 9-month interview process. And that's really take it as that exposure to industry where you're really experiencing that relationship you have, working that back and forth, and then you're ready for that next step into your career after college.
We've actually hired 3 students from previous projects in the last year. So it's great when a student calls and says, hey, I don't know if you remember me, I did X and X project 2 years ago, I went and did something else, what do you have? And then we can look at what's available, what skills they have, and try to find the right match. And that's happened a few times already this year.
For the capstone project that we did this year, one of our tool and process engineers brought a recommendation forward, basically measuring holes and drilled surfaces in our products. They were able to build a prototype, which we were able to go and look at today.
Our capstone project is with Boeing. I do believe that this capstone project really has prepared me to go into the workforce solely because all the hands-on experience I'm getting, all the setbacks that we ran into, learning how to mitigate that, learning how to work with a team and try to push forward and try to get that successful outcome.
When I was an undergrad here and I was in my senior year, I got to do my capstone project with Raytheon, and that was really awesome. It was a great opportunity to work with a team on a real-world project.
I graduated from ASU out of the Tempe campus back in 2007 with a degree in materials engineering. A real-world sponsorship experience and working with an industry member on a problem that's related to their product lines, their technology. It gives you an insight as to what the real world is going to look like when you get out of school.
At an event like this, you can see that they are demonstrating their skills in communication, their skills working with a complex team to solve a problem. It's a demonstration of the complexity of a modern education, but also that the way that you get that education is so critically important.